my name is Natalie, and today we'll be going over an orientation overview. All right, okay, so the four main ideas that I took away from my orientation the other day are as follows. So the growth mindset versus fixed mindset, program specifics, expectations, and exams. Okay, so the growth mindset versus the fixed mindset, these are two different mindsets. And so for the growth mindset, that's someone that will most likely feel like they can develop their abilities, they receive feedback well, and are more accepting of challenges. Versus someone with the fixed mindset, they believe their abilities are innate, which is inborn. They do not receive feedback well, and they're not really accepting of challenges. So we really want to encourage students to have a growth mindset because it'll help them grow as an individual and really challenge themselves. So how will you embrace a growth mindset? So for starters, I personally am going to be really conscious of my word choices because I know I'm going to be a role model to my students. So if I change the way I view things and I change my word choices such as like trying or I can, word choices like that, students will see that and most likely they'll try to adopt that too. Okay, then we go down into program specifics. And so we have our 3-semester breakdown. In the fall, we are doing observation 5 hours a week, and we do have a full course load. In the spring, we're student teaching 10 weeks full-time with a full course load. And in our last semester, we have student teaching for 12 to 13 weeks full-time with a lighter course load. Okay, expectations. So we are expected to prioritize the program, communicate with guide teachers, instructors, cohort leaders. Communication is the only way we'll be successful. Have good attendance. We want to act with integrity. And we are going to be educated, so we're going to be meeting a lot of people and talking to a lot of people. So we really want to be professional in all settings. And then we want to maintain at least a 3.0 cumulative GPA. Exams. So we also went over some of the exams that we can expect to encounter within the program. These exams include the EdTPA, ESAs, and evaluation forms. So we'll go further in depth and learn more about these exams as we progress in our program. This is pretty much just an outline of what we can expect. We'll be well prepared in our program. And then, thanks guys, that's everything. I'm really looking forward to a great year. Thanks.